In this video, we will add the Sonoff humidity temperature sensor to Home Assistant. This is the Sonoff. There is only one button on top to synchronize with the ZigBee hub. Underneath is the temperature and humidity sensor. When you get it, first you have to pop the bottom off, take it apart, pop the battery cover out so that way it will start working. This is much bigger than the Xiaomi as seen here. It is also thicker. The Xiaomi is about 6/4 deep. While the Sonoff is much thicker at about 8/4. Let's go to Home Assistant and see how we add the devices. So when you go to Home Assistant, go into Configuration, click on Integrations, go down to ZigBee Home Automation, click on Configure, click on the plus icon at the bottom. It's starting the search to find the devices. Remember that one button in the Sonoff, press on it and keep it down, keep holding for about 5 seconds until you see the lights blinking 3 times. When you see the lights blinking 3 times, let it go. There we go. I'm going to label it accordingly. So this will be in the kids' room. Go back, click on Devices, and you'll see it pop up right there. In the beginning, you won't see any data, but it will start coming in. This is a great way to see your humidity level as well as temperature. I got 2 of them for about $25 on eBay, but if you want something more reputable, I highly recommend getting it from Amazon. I'll have the direct links in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section.